Good morning, baby girl. This is your girl Pinky. Welcome to UniqueAlienPinkyMakeup, and we're gonna about to get crazy. So I was requested to do a Spongebob look. So that's where I'm gonna be trying to do. I don't really do much body painting, but it's good because I'm trying to get more practice for doing more body painting. So this will be fun and will be a perfect one to do. So we're gonna be doing Spongebob, and over here I have some paint that I had made, so you can check that video out. And here we have this color, and this color, and we're gonna be using this. Bam! And we have more colors. We got brown, we got pink, like a peach color, and then we got more over here from Morphin. We're running out of more fun, and we got more paints over here. So yeah, so you're interested of what I'm gonna be doing, you're curious how it's gonna come out, you already know what to do. Subscribe, and we'll be right back, baby, because
there's some foolish trying to be I'm like a son of a baby. 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 If you want to spend the day, I'm like a baby. I am get what you want. If you want to look at the phone, if you move it, you're going to get to the heart. I'm going to straight to the top. I'm the highest and the sweet. Down in the side and the right of me. Down the side and the my feet. Don't you go away and see. And I'm what my mama feel. I'm a son of kind of chill. Things you don't be mad at me. They don't get down but how to feel. Hey, little bitch, you can fuck with me if you want to. You just bad about it, you just love you. Don't you fuck, I don't get them both, I don't want you. Then I'm quick, cut that nigga off, you're fucking down. I don't dance now, I make money move. Say I don't gotta dance, I make money move. If I see you now, got me down, fuck with you. I'm a ball, through a record, bitch, I make money move. You a pussy, you get shot, you a goodie, you a hot. Don't you come around my way, you can't hang around my block. Let's take this love, let's try to stop on the trumpet. Gotta put my hands up on my hips, I'm big, I'm gonna tell me the birds and go. I get a come on the go, my bitch is ready to go. I'm like a brick in a row, I'm in a roll in a row. I'm in the top of the red, I'm in the free of the fake. I'm in the middle of the day, I'm in the middle of the cold. Don't let me get on the side of the road. I'm gonna do it again, I'm in the brick in the way. I'm in the look of the face, I'm in the flip of the day. I'm in the time, I'm in the face. I'm in the these bitches, no, when they gave me fuck on top. I'm just trying to tell them, yeah, I know it's bad.
I got some baby powder, and I'm just gonna put it in once it dries the glue. Bam! A little bit. Goddamn! It be like that sometimes. Woo. And I'm just gonna wipe that, slap the bitch. Woo. By the way, this is baby powder that I'm putting on top of the glue once it dries. I did a couple of sets of the glue because you want to wait for it. Reason why I'm doing it is for it because I don't want my hairs to show, so I'm gonna make it look like if I don't got eyelashes, that I don't got any, you know what I'm saying, eyebrows. So this is the whole purpose of it, to make it look visible. Damn. Oh damn, this is nasty. So I'm gonna do another set. Swipe it down. You don't want to put too much powder because then you'll be dying like I was earlier. So I'm gonna wipe it down. Just slap the bitch. It has like a little thing you can put your hands and just slap it down, bitch. You know what I'm saying? Bam. And then I'm just gonna go in with this pencil right here, and I'm gonna be drawing, and I'm gonna be making like an eye right here. You don't want to press it too hard, just lightly. And I'm putting it right here. And I'm gonna be doing the same to the other eye, but right here I'm gonna be bringing it down little sticks, because I'm gonna make it look like eyelashes. But yeah, I need a chopper in this little shit. That's what I'm gonna be doing. And then I'm gonna start going with the body. I'm gonna start painting it. You'll see what's up.
feel like it's kind of nice.
Alright, you guys, so this is the Spongebob look that I was requested. Now I'm gonna do this scary now. So what I did to use, I just wanted to do like hurry up and go look. So I put glue stick on my eyelashes and that whatever, but I'm gonna put the regular glue in a minute. I just wanted to hurry up and take a picture because yeah, I just want to get this over with, and I've been about like an hour doing this. So now I'm just gonna make it look scary. Like I want to add some blood, some effects up in this. Crazy, what if SpongeBob got beat up or something, you know, or got hurt? So let's transfer this to something scary. And I add a cute little hat. Whatever I got in my stash is what I use to do this. Now let's get it with scary time. Alright you guys, so this is the FX look with the blood and all the craziness. So I hope you guys enjoy this. We have the premium and we have a rough. Scary right now. Alright you guys, thank you guys for watching. You already know to subscribe and we'll see you all in the next video.
Daddy chime in, go for the sound.
Thanks for watching. Hope you guys liked the video. Give it a thumbs up. Leave any questions if you have any questions. Don't forget to hit the notification button and subscribe and help me grow my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Is that what I